Today I got 2 losing trades and my P&L took a definite hit, and in this video we'll be seeing how discipline saved me from literally destroying my account if I didn't use it today. Without further ado, let's head right into it. So as you can see right now, my account balance is $40.96, which is down from $48.36 we had just last week. And why did this happen, or how did this happen? Well, we took hits, like very deadly hits. We had 2 trades, both ran into stop loss. Now I remember I said discipline at the beginning of this video, and why do I say even though I had 2 losses I still say there was discipline? Well, it simply is this: there's a rule to this trading thing. If you lose too much, you should step out of the game. Now I have a standing rule when it comes to trading the mean reversal. If you have 2 losses in a day, you step out. And as you can see today, I took 2 straight hits, one with a $4 and one with a $3.35. And after both hits, I told myself no trading anymore, and you're going to be surprised at how this saved my ass today. So let's take a look at the charts. Now I had 2 trades. I'm going to put them up on the charts. You can see them. These were the 2 trades I took today. And why did I take this trade? It's simple. First and foremost, the usual market structure. You see price break below the already existing push forward, right? See price clearly closing below it, which is my ignition to take a sell. I should have taken the sell already at this point after the close of this candle. However, I came a bit late, so I saw it at the end of this candle, and I literally took it at the very end of the candle, as you can see. And within 45 minutes I got stopped out. Now I saw another clear close again. I was like, okay, first trial fail, second trial, let's see what happens, right? Second trial, let's see what's happened. This was the second close. I waited for the candle to show momentum, and then I took a trade. And guess what? Immediately I took a trade, price went directly against me. Now I refused. I told myself, you know what, we're not going to trade anymore today. We've taken 2 hits, we're going to stop. We have 2 hits for a day, 6 hits in a week. That's it for that entire week. Once you have 5 to 6 hits in a week, you stop. Now this is what's happening. You can clearly see this market is inching upwards. I mean, it's giving us clear chances most times to come in. You would have entered here again, stop loss above this high, aiming for a target 2, and you don't even need to throw a targets factory. You can see hit right more once more. Again, I would have been in another trade right now, which is this one, which looking at it currently, you say it's supposed to be going in profit and all that stuff, but I won't take this trade as long as it's on the same day. I can't take this trade. This is us sticking to the rule. The rule is simple: you take 2 hits, you're done for the day. Do not touch the chart for the entirety of that day. And that is exactly what I have done. So you see, I would have lost even more if I had decided to keep trading. Remember, it's a very tiny account. It's a $50 account, and now it's down to $40, aka I'm down $10, basically 20% of the account balance. Now you can see I'm clearly just showing people something here, right? It is a very simple thing. A small account in trading cannot work on the higher time frame. It can only work on a very small time frame. You want to be able to trade the higher time frame, you need better balance sheets. Basically, you need better capital. And mind you, I would never want to trade the mean reversal on the daily time frame, in as much as it looks like it's working. You can see all this time frame all the way from here. If you want to look at the mean reversal, it seems like it's working. But at what point do you start to draw the curtain, saying, okay, if it doesn't work, what do you call your 2 days? Do you say if you lose 2 trades in a row, you won't trade for the rest of the month? If you lose 2 trades in a row, you won't trade for the rest of the week? As you can see, a daily trade can last all the way from, this is about a month, almost a month. So trading this on the daily time frame is a whole new ball game. If you go down to the 4 hours, it's also a whole new ball game. I mean, I'm looking at best case scenario right here. This is not even a good case scenario, but this is like best case scenario. You put this stop loss right here, and you put it right here, and as you can see, best case scenario, you end up having about how many days? This is like almost 2 weeks, of runs. Okay, just about a week. So what would you say if you get 2 losses in 1 month when your trades last almost a week, or if you get 2 losses in a row in 2 months, then you stop? Well, as you can see, it's not straightforward on the higher time frame compared to on the lower time frame, where in a day you can see as many as 2, 3, 4 trades to take. So you can restrict yourself at some good points. Well, however, it's this simple. Opportunities are meant to be taken, but then again, opportunities, even though they seem too good to be true, sometimes you need to just let it go. And that is what I learned today. I took 2 trades, not so far away from each other, and both of them ended up in heavy losses. And that is it for the entire day. We're just gonna go take a rest, relax, come back tomorrow and try again. We're not trying to outsmart the market. We're not trying to force the market to give us money. There's no forcing it. We've traded, it's not working out, you stop. Alright, this is all for today. It's a very short video. I'd like to tell you guys thank you for watching. Do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like if you like this video with this kind of content, and do well to share with people who would see this reality journey in Forex and small account trading and want to learn from it. Peace. See you in another one.